Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I'm in middle of doing basement renovation at our house, and some issues I have encountered. I wanna let you guys know, so that if you're planning if you're planning to do this, definitely be prepared. Okay, because some of things you plan, some of things you don't plan, and some of the things may surface. So the very first issue, like, it is still going on and I may encounter more issues, but as of now it has gone to the first mudding. Now it's gonna be left for drying for next few days before they can do sanding, and then again second level of mudding, sanding, and after that they can go for paint. So it's gonna take time, no doubt, and it's as per the process, nothing is wrong about it. But the issues that you may encounter is, I won't go for the general issues like people say that their contractors run away, no and all. We all are aware. But few more that you should definitely be aware. For example, most of the contractors would, if they're going to work in your basement, so they would want to have your basement empty, so that they can come and immediately start their work like demolition and any other thing that is required as per the project. So if you have kept heavy items or huge items in the basement, first you need to create proper space on planning, and before those guys come to your house to do the work, you should move it. Of course, you can always have a contract with your contractor, like if he is ready to support you in moving, and if he is asking for money or voluntarily, whatever, those things are different, but plan for this. Okay. Second thing is, like, in early days, if your action involves, like if your construction involves demolition, okay, demolition of your dry walls, that had happened in my case, it will create lot of dust, okay, and if there is a connectivity in your house through that will create lot of dust inside your house as well. So be very careful. Like, it's a good idea initially would be to move your family members, especially if you have small children, to somewhere else while the construction is on, so that things get settled down when they come and go. Okay, so this is a good idea that you may encounter. Certain things always change and you may not be aware of. So two things had happened and I had to go for it. First one was, like, my furnace is old, no doubt, and it was installed using the black pipes. Now recently those have been changed, and for any new furnace that you are gonna install, there is like an upgraded version of the pipe which is white in color, so that you have to install. So today, so when this construction is going on, I had the perfect opportunity to get white pipes installed. So I have replaced that. I did not plan for it initially, but then I had to do this. Okay, then depending upon your location, your gas line needs to be moved as well, and that would be done in consultation with the provider, like in my case Enercare. Okay, so it may or may not be required, so you can always check. You can ask your contractor when he comes for quote, that ask him personally, is it required? Then based on the architect diagram that is passed, your electric panel may need to be upgraded, so that need to be planned in advance, and resources need to be deployed as well. So that also costs money and approval from the city, so be ready for that as well. New regulations have been implemented in GTA, like if you are going to have a legal basement apartment, all living rooms in your house, even upstairs, should have their own dedicated smoke alarms. So if you have, like, so in my house, what it was till now is that there's a common area in front of all three living rooms where there was one smoke alarm. So now they have put holes in all three, and they came through attic and did all that job, whatever. But the end result is, like, I am gonna have smoke alarms there as well. Okay, so this is again one important thing to consider. Then certain issues may happen without any notice, like slight damage may happen. It has happened in my house. I showed it to the contractor and he has agreed to fix it because he accepted it was done by his guys. Okay, sometimes depending upon the work, construction may go beyond the allowed hours. So if that is going to happen, be very careful, because if you do that, you can be under penalty. So speak to the contractor, make sure it does not happen, and if it is going to happen, politely ask your contractor that please do not do it now, because my neighbors can complain, city officials can come, and then it could be a penalty for both of us. So if it can be done the next day, definitely you can plan for this and get the things fixed. You may need good cooperation from your neighbors also because of noise and some issues. Dust may go over there. So in my case, I discussed with my neighbor and he was too good. He agreed the moment I said, and he said he was ready to provide all the cooperation. In fact, he said he would help me by clearing the way towards the backyard if it is really required from his side, although it was not required. Okay, next is like for good contractors, what they do, they bring a huge bin where they can put the construction waste. So if that bin is coming to your place based on your home size and all, it may block your driveway. So if that happens and you need to park your car outside for few days while the construction is on, it's always good to inform your insurance company. Okay, so that there's a note on your file so that they know that right now you are doing it and you will put it back once things are done. It's always good to have the consultation with them, and always inform your home insurance company too about the construction. I was told by the insurance broker that I got to do it after the construction work is over, but to be proactive with this, I informed before the construction even started so that there is no issue of something. So I just went ahead with that and it was successful, absolutely no issue. And then the next part was like one thing happened with me yesterday. It was funny also, like the bin company came to pick the bin up because it was full. So while he was pulling the bin up, certain debris fell down. Okay, and I had to pick them up because some of the debris fell to outside my area as well, and I did not want someone to get injured or whatever issues because of that, so I had to take that off. So these things may happen, be ready. And while the construction is on, many times your hot water, electricity and things may get disconnected. So always tell them that if they are going to do anything like this, they should inform you first so that you can make proper plans. Then on top of that, I would say some accidents may happen. Like in my case, what happened on the first or second day of the construction, by mistake they cut down the internet cable. And when I asked them, hey guys, did you do anything? They said no. Then I had to call my internet provider, who came and who fixed it, and he did find the wire was cut. So make sure this is also planned. Okay. And yeah, and if I come across more issues down the line while I'm while the construction at my home goes through, I'll definitely inform you guys. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you feel about it. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.